Okay, this is a quick overview of another old saw I've got. This is the Stihl 056 AV Magnum 2. It's a big saw, it's a powerful saw. They were first started production in 1980. They have about 87 cc's. They're a heavy saw, they weigh 10 kilos. As you see, this one I've got a 40-inch or 100 centimetre Oregon bar on it, which adds a lot more weight to it. But these saws are renowned for having a lot of torque. They won't bog down, they pull through. They're not a quick saw, but they're a very powerful saw. More of a professional saw these. They're not really a good firewood saw because they are really heavy. But I've cut multiple trees from softwoods to Australian hardwoods, and it just powers through. A really good milling saw as well. We'll run through a few of the things on it, quick overview, and I'll fire it up and we'll go from there. So, as you can see, still made in Germany, being 1980s, made in West Germany, still have the Cold War divide. We've got our oil fill point, our fuel fill point. Got some more branding there. We've got stop on off, choke, and throttle lock slash half choke. Now we've also got air filter access here and chain brake. Chain brake actually goes through bar cover. Can be a little bit fiddly. As you can hear, it's a very solid clunk, not like the newer saws, but still nice and safe. I might fire it up now. It does take a bit to get going. Like I said, big saw. You can see how big it is there, but it'll run all day, no problem. So we'll set up, fire it up, and we'll go from there. As you can see, very loud, very powerful, two-stroke Stihl saw. These old 056s will keep up with the more modern 66s. Still around, still common. I love it. I am sore after using it for a day, but great for cutting big timber. All right, thank you.